Hi guys, it's George from Currys, and today I've managed to get my hands on the Google Pixel 7 Pro. It gives you next level photos and videos, it runs extremely well, and it has a really clever battery. Now I want to take a closer look, so I'm going to get myself over to the lab. Okay, so here we are in the lab with the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Now with this phone, it changes what you can do when it comes to taking photos and videos. Now I'm gonna show you what I mean, as in this corner I've got some chocolate coins set up, and I'm gonna take some macro shots of them to show you how much detail I can get in a picture. Okay, so I'm gonna open up the camera app, and then I'm gonna move extremely closely to these coins. Now that flower symbol that's just popped up is the macro symbol. So as you can see from this macro shot of the golden coins, there's so much detail. I can see the letters nice and clearly, and even the pattern on the edge of the coin looks fantastic. This camera is also perfect when it comes to taking pictures and videos from far away, thanks to the super res zoom feature. And I'm gonna show you by taking a picture of these golden coins in the corner. Now this is all thanks to its pro level triple camera system that combines 3 different camera lenses, so it gives you more variety and options when it comes to taking your photos and videos. Now everything on this phone feels really quick, responsive and smooth. Now that's thanks to the Google Tensor G2 chip. Now not only does that benefit the overall performance of the phone, but it helps to bring improvements to things like speech recognition and camera performance. It's responsible for a couple of cool camera features like night sight and unblur, which are really handy to have. The battery on this phone is built to last and can give you over 24 hours. Because it's adaptive, you can switch the mode to suit your needs. So if you really want to prioritize battery, you can switch to extreme battery saver, and it will give you up to 72 hours of charge. If you want to find out more info on the Google Pixel 7 Pro, why not visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.